Good morning, student. Continue with our topic, chapter number 6, metals and non-metals. The rusting of iron is the common example of corrosion. Other metals like magnesium, aluminium, zinc, tin, and copper also corrode. The corrosion of copper is commonly observed in the kitchen. You might have seen a green deposit over a copper utensil. When the latter is left in moist air for a day or two, the green substance mainly contain basic copper sulfate or the basic copper carbonate. So here we can see the green deposit on the copper utensils. Everyone's house, copper utensils are there. So just see that copper, when it get greenish color out, the outer layer of that utensils is greenish in color, it means that it react with the moisture present in the air and it get corroded. Here what is formed on the outer layer of it is called as a copper carbonate maybe, or copper sulfate layer. You will learn about the basic salts in higher classes. So this how copper sulfate or copper carbonate is formed, you are going to learn in the higher classes. These compounds are formed by the action of oxygen, sulfur dioxide or carbon dioxide, and the moisture on copper. So copper react with this, thus the greenish color form on the copper surface. Factor that at the corrosion. So the following factors that hasn't the corrosion of metals. The presence of impurities in the metal. So the how the corrosion takes place easily, or what are the factors by which the corrosion takes place. So first point is the presence of impurity in the metal. If the impurity is there in the metal, then the corrosion can take place easily. Pure metals take in isolation do not corrode. The iron pillar at Delhi, standing in the open air, has not corroded for centuries because it is made up of pure iron. So if the metal is made up of metal is pure, it will not corrode, but it is impure, then it corrode easily. Presence of moisture. So due to presence of moisture, metal get corrode easily. The presence of acid forming gases. Acid forming gases, we know that it is present in the air. Gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide forms acid upon reacting with the moisture, leading to the chemical action on the metals. So here if these gases are present, then they affects the metal, as the metal get corroded easily. Presence of salts. Salts facilitate the corrosion. So full facility metals, salts, if it is there in their presence, then it affects the metal, and thus because of the salts metal get corroded. This is the evident from the fact that the metal used in the ship corrode easily, and so this is the point. Corrosion is observed to a much greater degree in the coastal areas than in the place far from the sea. So coastal areas, corrosion takes place more than the places which are away from the seashore. Rusting. You might have observed a reddish brown deposit on the surface of an iron object. So whenever the iron been exposed to air, moisture, it get rusted. As we can see the reddish brown color, something over the surface of iron object, that is the reddish brown color deposits on it. So it means that iron is get rusted. If it is the left on the open for few days, the reddish brown substance called rust. So what the reddish brown substance is called? It called as rust in an oxide of iron with a few water molecules. It is represented by the formula. So that rust formula is Fe2O3 and X water molecule, whereas H2O means that the number of H2O molecule is uncertain. So means what is the meaning of this XH2O? That XH2O means that it may be any number. It may be 24, 20, 30. Any number of water molecule may be present with the rust. So yeah, the molecule it means uncertain. So we cannot say that this much. That's why it is written uncertain. The deposition of the rust is called rusting. So the deposition of rust over the metal surface is called rusting. We can see this key here in figure 6.12, a rusted key. We can see this rust over this key, that is reddish brown in color. Metal oxide and hydroxides are generally basic. A base turn moisten red litmus paper blue, and so does rust.